Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss prime and composite numbers. So what is a prime number? Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by itself and 1. For example 2. 2 has got only two factors, that are 2 and 1. That is, 2 can be divided by 2 and 1. There are no other numbers which can divide 2. Now what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are numbers that can be divided by itself, 1 or any other number. For example 4. We can get 4 when we multiply 2 with 2. We can get 4 when we multiply 1 with 4. So 4 has got more than two factors, that is 1, 2 and 4. Hence 4 is a composite number. Now we will take some numbers and discuss whether they are prime or composite. For example 3. We can get 3 only when we multiply 3 with 1. So 3 has got only two factors, that are 3 and 1. So 3 is a prime number. Now we will discuss whether 7 is a prime number or a composite number. 7, we can get 7 when we multiply 7 with 1. So 7 has got two factors, that are 7 and 1. So 7 is also a prime number. Now let us take 12 and check whether it is prime or composite. We can get 12 when we multiply 12 with 1, or when we multiply 2 with 6, or when we multiply 2 with 2 and 3. So 12 has got more than two factors. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So 12 is a composite number because it has got more than two factors. Actually, all the composite numbers are composed with some prime numbers. When we multiply 2 or 3 prime numbers or more than 2 prime numbers, we can get a composite number. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we will discuss whether 1 is prime or composite. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.